Basically, be careful what you wish for. Network marketing pimps, hosts, listen up. Sales guru sheeps, wake up. Smart asses, sit up. We now have our hands on big data connect software, which puts us in a situation to make money hands over fist in order to make all your dreams come true. No more recruiting, no more evangelizing, no more advertising, no more Zoom, Skype or live streaming presentations. Say goodbye to spending gasoline and entry ticket money and precious family time for those hotel meetings. No more whiteboard living room or after church product parties. No more monthly fees or hidden upsells. Gone are the days of forced authorship or hidden agenda upgrades. Bye bye hope packages, tokens, shitcoins or ICOs. No more guilt, shame and remorse qualification indoctrination. You do not have to be the codependent onboarding, shipping and handling, wallet support, product and services, help desk troubleshooter day and night any longer. The work from home era is over, gone, past tense, not even placement position claiming pressure. There's plenty of time, plenty of people, always have been. No more dependency on network marketing pimps and crooks, incapable CEOs, monetary authority or government policy shutdowns. No kings or queens, landlords, politicians, churches, ministers, upline bosses, sheikhs, mayors, companies or dictators to obey to. Emotional and spiritual freedom. No contracts to sign, no fine print to become a legal victim of. Not even any more daily routines like clicking on ads or video watching or ads to place or messages to place on social media, and never more money in than out any longer. Basically what we have right now is a dream come true. Click links underneath this video when you are curious enough to find out more information about the piece of artificial software that we're launching right now. Get back to the person that sent you to this appalling with a pinch of salt video. When you see this on YouTube, just click links, click on the little word spelled share right here. Click on the word spelled share, little social media icons will pop up and you're able to leave this video on your own social media platforms if you dare to and if you want to. And when you see this on a page on where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. We'll send you appropriate video information, won't spam you, and then I'll see you and yours definitely in and on the most beautiful resorts and beaches of the world. It's that simple. So be careful what you dream of. I'll check you later. Is this a spell mistake? Careful with one L? No, two. Don't know. We'll see. It's not important anymore. Check you soon.